In this video clip, we're going to walk through how to add images as a hyperlink. So let's say after this article to what happened on the original Bastille Day, I wanted to use this question mark if people had further questions. So they'll click on the question mark and it'll take them to this article on the Bastille Day. How do I do that? Same process. I'm just going to add the image tag. So I'm going to copy href equals, drop in the URL of the website I want to go to, in the quotation marks, and then instead of, like we did up here, adding original text, we're going to put the image source tag. So to do that, I do another open bracket, image source equals, open quotations, and then on my computer, inside that folder, I'm going to right click on this, choose properties, and I'm going to copy the exact name of where this image lives. Paste it in the quotation marks and close this image source tag. Yeah, I'm going to click save as, replace, and then refresh my page and we'll see what we've got. There we go. And again, don't worry if it's too large. In the next videos, I will show you how to use CSS to resize your images. So if I click on it, it goes exactly where we need it to go.